Welcome to my Smart Kid channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Germs, run away! Hi, my little friends. My name is Ella, and today I want to tell you something super important. Do you know that we kids always need to stay clean and fresh? 'Cause it makes us look nice and keeps us from getting sick. In this video, we're gonna learn how to take good care of ourselves and stay clean and happy. Are you ready? Let's go! If we don't wash our hands, germs stay on them. So let's always wash our hands before eating and after playing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Washing hands. If we don't brush our teeth, they will become damaged and yellow. So let's brush our teeth every morning and night to keep our teeth healthy. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brushing your teeth.
Hooray!
If we don't wear clean clothes, germs will stay on our clothes. Washing clothes. So let's always wear clean clothes. So let's always take a bath to stay clean and smell good. Bathing. Oh no! If we don't cut our nails, germs will hide under them. If germs enter our bodies, we will get sick. So, always keep your nails clean and short to stay healthy. Washing hands. Brushing your teeth. Bathing. Children, we should also care about cleaning our surroundings. Now that we have learned how to stay clean, let's always practice hygiene. Remember, you are a clean and happy little one.